Welcome back to Team Reese Travels. We've got something exciting to unpack today, a brand new set of Level 8 luggage. Get ready as we take you on a hands-on tour showing you every feature of these travel game changers. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first getaway, you won't want to miss this.
Hey everybody, it's Ray from Team Reese Travels, and I am here to do a luggage review. This luggage review is sponsored by Level8. This is the carry-on size as well as the check bag size. So we're going to do a review for them and let you all know what we think about this Level8 luggage. So first of all, I would like to say that these bags are very, very sturdy thus far that I've seen. I love hard shell case bags. They're easier to clean, first of all, and I feel like when you have a hard shell bag, it's more sturdy, especially when you're traveling on an airplane or anyways, but really on an airplane, because when they move your bags around, you have that extra added protection. You can hear it too. You have that extra added protection on your for your items that are in your luggage bag, in your luggage. So as you can see, this is the 20-inch carry-on bag. Sturdy front. You have here your handle, which is a very nice size handle for a 20-inch bag, which gives you plenty of opportunity to move it around. And the wheels are 360 wheels. Now, anybody that knows me and Kiki, when we travel heavy and we travel a lot of stuff. And what better piece of luggage to have than a bag with 360 wheels? So when we going left, right, or we gotta make that quick turn because the flight didn't change or whatever it is, all we gotta do is like this and keep it moving. So we love the 360 wheels so far. We love the handle, and it's a really sturdy bag so far. Another feature that I like about this bag is that this bag is a zipperless bag, meaning there's no zipper. There are TSA-approved locks on the side. Now, there are two options to lock these locks. They come with a default combination. With this instruction manual, it tells you how to set the combination locks up, so when you're ready to just go through, when you have to go through, or when you want to protect your stuff, you just put the combination on there. There's like a key slot, but it doesn't come with a key. If your bag is already unlocked, you can use anything that will be able to fit inside this key slot area to be able to lock it back. The way you know you locked it back is there's going to be some red dots right here, and these red dots will indicate you put the lock in the position to lock your bags back. So let's take a look on the inside. So what you do is you just squeeze here on the sides, on both sides like that, which opens them up, and then reveals this. Now this is beautiful off the top. Just the very look, it's a sleek look. It has a Level 8 luggage logo throughout. You have pockets here. So you have these two pockets here you can fit things in, pockets here. Then it has one here where you can unzip and put even more items. This is plenty of room. If you're one of those travelers that you travel light, you travel for business, and you know how to pack your bags, this bag would be ideal as a carry-on for when you're doing business travel, quick travel. Even if you're going on a week worth of travel, you should be able to use this bag as well. If you know you just don't need a whole lot of like clothes, dress clothes, and things like that. So on the other side, once you put your stuff in there, you'll be able to use this strap to lock it down, and so you can take it and unloosen it like this. This is actually removable storage. And so let's say if you wanted something to put your socks in, your t-shirts in, maybe your underwear, or maybe some electronics. And it's like some electronics that you don't mind being in your carry-on. So this will be the ideal thing to use to put it in. So this is a removable storage. And then this is just another area where you can put your clothes, put whatever it is that you need to, that you're traveling with, you can put it over here. This is a very nice, well-made bag. I'm not sure what material this is, but a lot of times when you get suitcases, it's made with like the thin kind of, almost like plastic material. But this is more of, it's a heavier material. And so when you get done, you just put that back in there like that, or put it on top of your clothes or whatever it is. Take your strap, put your strap across here, and then pull it as tight as you can, or as tight as it can get. Put that back across, and then just close your suitcase on up. Once you close your suitcase, you put here, just press it down, and it automatically clicks. And this color is navy blue. They had navy blue, they had black as well as silver. All right, everybody, so now we have, I just showed you the 20-inch carry-on bag, but this is going to be the 24-inch check bag from Level 8. Same color, same design as before. It has the 360-degree wheels, which makes it easy to move back and forth, side to side. And this, we're on carpet, and that's pretty good. Mostly, you in the airport, you're either on carpet or you're on the hard surface floor. So right now we're on carpet, and it's moving really easy, as you can see on the carpet. It has an easy lay down handle like that. Doesn't really fall down real quick. It's a luxury look for me. And handle is pretty sturdy, and I like the way the handle is made. It feels pretty sturdy when you're going to be moving around, and you'll be able to tell more once you put your items in your luggage how it's going to move around with the handle. But it's got a good handle on it that you can pull up, pull down, and then it has, again, just like the other luggage, it has another easy lay down handle on the side, and then the same locks. And so this, again, is going to be the 24-inch luggage check bag. And so we're going to open it up as before, like that, and lift the top. And it's the same design on this one, but it's a 24-inch. So we have the same storage compartments here on both sides. And then you have the zipper compartment here once again. And you want to have more room because again, this is going to be a 24-inch bag. So you have more room over here for storage for your check bag. So you have your strap here that will keep everything in place. But instead of, like on the carry-on bag, instead of having it where you would take this apart and then slide it across, it would have a slot here. You're going to be able to just pull this out like that and take it out. It's easier that way. And so you have another removable storage piece within the luggage itself. So you can store whatever you want in there, and you have more room in here. I really like these bags. I like the way they're made. I like the design of them. They give a very luxury look. Thank you, Level 8, for sending us this luggage. We do really appreciate it.
So now that we've had a chance to travel with this new Level 8 luggage, we thought it'd be good to come back and share some of our likes and dislikes. Here's what we loved. The 360 wheels. This luggage rides so smoothly, even when transitioning over grooves or changes in flooring. It was such an easy pull, and that's because of that 360 wheel design. We also love the zipperless design. It's not something we've had on any of our other luggage, but we felt like it made it much easier to access the contents of the bag. On the flip side, because this is a hard shell design, there are no pockets on the outside of this luggage. I'm one that likes to have those exterior pockets on luggage because I like to be able to stick small items somewhere without having to open the entire bag. But I think for such a sleek and sturdy design, giving up those pockets is a fair compromise. We also would have liked for this luggage to be a bit deeper just to be able to fit a few more items inside.
And let us know down in the comments if you will purchase this luggage for any upcoming trips that you have. And as always, we are Team Reese Travels all day. See you later.